How to get subscription on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily get subscription on Spotify. So the very first thing you want to do here is open up your Spotify application. Once you open it up, all you have to do is make sure that you are logged into your account where you want to get your subscription. And as you can see here, what you can do is you can get 1 month for $0 USD. So you can apply for individual plans. They will give you these kind of offers if this is your first time trying Spotify. So what I can do here is go over to my profile at the bottom top left corner, and then I can view my profile from here. Once you have your profile visited, you can go to the premium section at the bottom of your screen right beside library. And then to get your subscription, you can just go ahead and click on try 1 month for $0 USD. Once that is done, you can continue on with your payment. So you can choose your payment option. You could do with Spotify or you could do with Google Play. So I'll just continue with Google Play for now and then tap on continue. Now you need to make sure that you have a card added to your account. So I already have a card here. So what I can do is just basically tap on subscribe. Now once you do that, you can verify your fingerprint to subscribe. And if the payment goes through, you should be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can get a premium subscription on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.